Very nice. England.
England. Yeah.
England. How are you guys?
How are you?
Yo, what's up? Just arrived to Ubud. I'm in the Jalan Monkey Forest, and it's actually quite busy, I have to say. Or maybe just now because of the so many cars around, but I would like to say it's actually quite busy. Except this everything as about the tourist attractions, shops, everything around, as you can see, is just unfortunately closed. I have to say it's quite busy. I mean, I used to be here for so many months before last year, like July, August, September, October, actually almost every month, and was actually like it's at least now, right now, was super quiet. But maybe that was just the time when it was actually so busy because so many cars. Now I'm just thinking because it's actually quiet. Anyway, I will show you how it looks, the situation around Ubud Jalan Monkey Forest. I will show you a little bit how it looks, situation just behind me, which is there. And also I will heading into the Ubud Art Market. We will see how is the situation today in Ubud. So over there, if you're gonna go there, this is the monkey forest, and monkeys usually playing there around. Here's some lady walking around, but now I'm gonna heading into this direction today. We will see how is the situation. This is my car, obviously. I parked today here, but I can see some monkeys playing on the roofs and on the cables around somewhere here. Yeah, everything is unfortunately closed, as you can see. Cool monkey, the same like the family, right? Unfortunately, frozen yogurt is closed. Here is some shops for rent over here. So now after 3 minutes working, this is actually about 3 minutes of the video, I just noticed as is busy, like some points people driving a lot, and then it's just a totally silence, like over here, for example. This is the restaurant over here, supposed to be, and here is the Ubud Inn cottages. Well, basically still quiet enough as you can walk on the middle of the road, which is, I'm not sure if it's good or not. Yeah, that's how it looks, the situation. I will still keep going into that direction. Hello, how are you?
Good.
All good, yeah? Yeah, still good. Arak? Can I see Arak, yeah? Very nice. England.
England. Yeah.
England. How are you guys?
How are you?
Oh, still good. This is the Arak. This is traditional Balinese drink. Very good. You make by yourself or you buy?
I'm buying.
Oh, how much is it now?
This for one bottle is 25,000.
25,000 per one bottle, 0.5 liter. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
This is Balinese
Balinese food.
This is from the tree of banana.
Oh, very nice.
So you want to try it?
No. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Okay, take care. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You do tattoo also?
Yeah, do tattoo.
Many people.
One year. No people.
No good. Okay, take care.
Bangkrut.
Bali.
Bangkrut.
Okay, take care, yeah? So, as you saw, I had a good week. Spoke with the local people. They just enjoying their arak. The guy is one of the guy, I think he was the owner of the tattoo shop. And I didn't say that before somebody gonna blame me for that. They said, as it's already 1 year, nothing, and bankrupt. I didn't say that. However, I have to say, as they are kinda right. I hope so. This better time gonna happen very soon, because of it's just quite sad to see the situation how it. So at the front over here seems like it's new restaurant. I don't really know actually what is it over here, but seems like it's new place. Yo, what's up? Yo! So here is the one resort Portivi, and just on the opposite way is Adiwana Monkey Forest. That's how it looks, the situation. Have to cross the road. Sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it's busy, like I said already. Adiwana Monkey Forest. Not any kind of paid endorsement. However, this is the hotel open, and this cafe over here, unfortunately, is just totally closed, which is super sad. And here is obviously Starbucks, the new Starbucks. Interesting fact is as a lot of the local community are not really happy about the Starbucks. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Not so bad, not so bad. Oh, many people inside today.
Yeah,
Busy. Okay, take care, yeah? Golden Retriever, very nice. Cafe Wayan. We make a vlog over here last time. If you haven't watched it, very recommended. Now it's also public bus like this. You can come to Ubud if you wish so. So many places around Komaneka. This is actually, I think, quite famous place, but I'm not sure if it's open or not. Alright, while I'm walking now, I wanna show you more about the after market area or traditional market, but I have to work there. Would like to talk a little bit about the what's up situation. The guy was waving, actually Eric on the front camera, about after making a vlog in Canggu, why Canggu is so busy, why people asking why it's like that, honestly I don't know, but today's probably title of today's video will be why Ubud is so quiet. And the potential one reason is, as somebody told me about 2 months ago, as Ubud is so quiet, that's because of many people just simply move out from Ubud and they moved to Canggu. Some of them they moved to Uluwatu, and some of them they moved to Sanur, which is obviously the most busiest areas in Bali, actually Canggu and Sanur, and obviously Denpasar. So over here is the park, people walking there, and there is the park, and here is the Ogo from the last year, as you can see. That's how it looks. Hello. Oh, the guy tried to play over here. Check this out, what he's doing. And anyway, Ogo is over here. I will try to put my camera a little bit, and that's how it look like. Unfortunately, will be no Ogo festival in this year also. This is already confirmed. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, you are bartender?
Yeah.
Yeah, really?
Really?
Nice. Where? In what bar? What restaurant?
Now I'm not working.
Oh, you are not working now? Whoa, so cool, man. Whoa. Jesus, that's so cool, man. That's so cool.
What's your name?
Damien, nice to meet you. Just like this. I hope so after I upload the video you're gonna get a job because you have a skill. Where did you work before? Where did you work?
What's up?
Where did you work before, my friend?
Before I work in Oops Restaurant and Bar.
Oh, and
Just training here.
oh,
Yeah. But now I'm not working because
no job. Yeah,
Yeah, no
because
job.
it's so quiet. Yeah, I know. My
I
friend.
really want to work.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know. Many people who watching us, they are business owners and stuff like. I hope so. Maybe somebody, because you do great job. If I will have a bar, I will hire you. You know.
Where do you stay?
Oh, in Sanur, you know.
Wow, I think you stay in Ubud.
No, I just come to but make a video, you know.
Ah,
So, what's your name, by the way?
my name is Putu. You can
Food
call me
too.
Putu.
So you are the
Yeah.
first kid, all right. This is very good barista. I mean, I don't know him, but I saw his tricks before. Even I come to him from the far, and he's so good. If you have any job in Bali for him, barista, bartender, making drinks, cocktails, stuff like this, contact me. I have a contact to him as Instagram, and you can hire him. He really needs a job, right?
Yeah, really, man. Because long time not working.
And how old are you?
23.
All right, so yeah, still very young.
Yeah.
That's good, that's good. Okay, I have to go. Good luck with everything, yeah?
Thank you.
I hope so you're gonna get a job very soon.
Take care.
See ya, take care. So I just talk with the to the boy what I found actually accidentally on the field recording the Ogo Ogo. He's the bartender. He do very nice tricks, I have to say. So sad as he have no job. He lost the job already 1 year ago. Looking for job. So seriously, if you watching us and have any business in Bali, will be nice to consider this boy. I spoke with him about 10 minutes and seems like he's really decent fella. At least that's it what I can do. Have you ever saw something like this before? I mean, this is beautiful gate, but this one, so cool, so interesting. Okay, this is the bookshop over here. If you are interested, it's open. That's good. Always good to read some books. Nowadays, not many people are reading books, which is actually sad. But, well, actually, I'm happy as you guys watching my YouTube and have a time to watching that. So that's very good. Thank you so much. Anyway, I'm heading into Art Market, which is over there, kinda close to the Ubud Art Market. That's how it looks. Situation here are some shops are open, some others are closed. It's Tropical restaurant, it's closed. I will show you. Cafes over here are actually open. This is actually quite nice cafe. Bollywood Indian cuisine, as you can see. So over here is the Art Market, the main one of the main entrance. I think it's already closing time. I think they're closing at 4 or 5. And here are some people chilling around. They're playing chess actually over there. Front is the King Palace of Ubud, obviously. I will quickly show you how it looks, the main junction in Ubud. This is probably one of the most busiest junction in Ubud so far. And it looks like this. Here's some lady walking around. Here's some police. So this is the another entrance to the Art Market, as you can see. And that's how it looks, the general situation of the street where is so many shops and restaurant. And yeah, the situation looks basically how it's how it looks.
Taxi?
Taxi? Oh, maybe later, yeah. Maybe later, yeah. Oh, bucks, always good. Take care, my friend. Same to you guys. Don't work too hard, yeah. This is the one. Hello, how are you? One restaurant open. Everybody are friendly, like always. Oh, here is the satay.
Chicken satay, okay?
Chicken satay ayam. Oh, beautiful. Look, check this out. So fresh. Thank you, my friend.
Right.
So that's how it looks. Here is the flowers also. Very nice. Beautiful flower. Check this out. Flower. Bicycle, motorbike. Thank you. Wow, this is the Christmas tree over here. I mean, there are still lights. This is some place, some restaurant. That's how it look. The situation. Heading back to the car I parked next to the Monkey Forest. That's how it looks, the situation one more time. Hello.
Have coffee, please?
Coffee?
Coffee, yeah.
You have cappuccino?
Yeah.
Alright, so they said they're gonna have a coffee in this small wee warung grandpa's because this guy said hello to me. How are you? Yo, what's up? Do you have many customers today, no?
Not so many.
Not so many, but you have a lovely coffee over here, yes. So one more time, very peaceful shot. How it looks, the situation. Some doggos here. And my coffee arrived. Check this out. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. All right, I will have my coffee. What you can see over here, so nice. I'm actually so tired. It's very hot in Ubud today. That's how it looks, the situation. Anyway, I hope so you enjoyed. Tomorrow is another day, like always, something new. Maybe more interesting. Maybe this one was interesting. Comment below what do you think about today's day. And thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care.